Hey there, I'm gonna show in this tutorial how to create a moving banner for your websites in Figma and how to prototype it. I'm gonna walk through the process of how this is done to create this clean, professional look. First, I have my website mockup here, and I have created text and some shapes to place for my banner here. And what I'm going to do is duplicate this text and extend it out, and you'll see why in a second, in order to, when it scrolls, we have content that can scroll back and forth. I'm going to group this selection and then I'm going to create a frame that fits within the website's perimeters. So I'm going to make it fit. And I'm also going to remove the background there. And then I'm going to copy a frame that's the same size as the size I want. And I'm just going to drop this text in there. Make sure it fits nicely within the frame. And there we go. Now I'm going to make this frame into a component, and you can double click on the frame or you can click up here under design, and I'm also creating a variant. With that variant, I am then, as you can see, scrolling to the end of my long text, and I'm making sure that it lines up perfectly on the other end. After that, we are going to go to our prototype tab, and we're going to select our first variant and drag the arrow down to the second one. So we are going to do after delay and 1 millisecond, so it's instantaneous, and we want it to change to our second variant, and we are going to smart animate in a linear way, and I'm going to set it to 10,000 milliseconds so that it's slow enough that you can read it. And then we're going to do the same with the second one, except we're going to do after delay, except we're going to change it to be an instant animation, so that way it can loop. And then after that, we're going to copy the first variant into that frame we had before there, and make sure that all of your objects are on the same frame for when you go ahead and make a preview of your banner. So now we're going to preview what this looks like. And there you have it. You have now successfully created a moving banner for your website to help make it look more professional and look really cool. I hope that this tutorial was helpful and that you may refer back to it for any future projects you may have and use these skills that you learned.